Hello, good evening and greetings to all of you. Today we are going to look at the topic on higher education. I am Dr. Ilangovan and professor from the Department of Aerospace Engineering, SNS College of Technology. This is a part of the subject on the 19 GEB 380, higher studies in India and abroad. This is for those who are choosing a career track on track number 3. The first unit says, overview of higher studies, why you want to do higher studies either in India or abroad, and what is the admission process and identification and procedure. Then there is two things here, like the SOP or an LOR. SOP stands for Statement of Purpose, and the LOR stands for the Letter of Recommendation. So what are the desirable characteristics, etc., that we will go have to see. So in this particular video, we will see about the letter of recommendation. Now, why should you go abroad for higher studies? Seeing a different country is always something learning. Okay, you see the world, how the world is on the other side. Learn different strategy of education. There are much developed countries than us, and then we can go have a look at them. The different education systems that they are in place, the various career opportunities that you have for you will be opened up. You can find new interests. There are different kinds of studies which are there, unlike in our country, where we have very limited options. And then you have the personal development can definitely take place, and you can live the experience that of your abroad. Whatever that, whichever country that you go, you can have a good experience, and then you see further and beyond. Now, the same thing, like you can get more jobs, you can get higher, GPA or the grade point average in different countries have their higher rates, and then receive more job offers and also make higher starting salaries. You can get used to complex thinking. Higher starting salaries are there. You can have flexibility and creativity, and all these things are put together. You can go for higher studies. You can consider going for higher studies. The basic requirements, as I said earlier, is the letter of recommendation. You must have three numbers of letters of recommendation, and then also you should have a statement of purpose. The statement of purpose we look at in a different video. Now the letter of recommendation. A sample letter of recommendation is what is being shown here. This is a recommendation letter which has been sort of given in a letterhead by the college, and we see that we write directly about a student here. Okay, the date is there on a letterhead. Now, what is an LOR? Is a letter of recommendation. Okay, all the universities abroad, they ask for letters of recommendation, and they use this to assess the applicant's skills, the academic and the professional performances, and other unique characteristics, and then they can take a decision as to, the candidate is suitable for their study, etc. So the recommender should focus on the skills required for a specific master's degree. They need not, tell anything about the exact percentage of marks that the student is talking, because that is always we can communicate it in a different communication, etc. Here, you can always say that whether he's a studious person or is more good in sports, and such kind of things can be said. The major achievements and qualities demonstrated during the bachelor's degree must be included. An insight into the applicant's conduct or behavior should also be given. And you should be the person who is recommending should be at least be familiar with the student for at least 2 to 2.5 years, and then should have handled at least two courses during his studies. The recommender should begin the letter of recommendation by introducing himself. This is how LOR should be. and you should write about the connection between the applicant and how long you know him or her. It's basically like to establish the relation between the person who is giving the letter of recommendation as well as the student, and how strong is this and how credible is this is what they would like to know. Mention your name, your designation, and other important credentials. So that goes into the first paragraph. Address the letter to the admission committee or the department of the program, or you can also say to whom so it may concern, and then if you do not know the person's reader's identity. Sum up all the points you will write in a later part for the LOR, so those things can wait. The body of the LOR will discuss the skills and the qualities of the candidate, preferably the ones that is required for pursuing the master degree. A project that he has done, an internship that he has gone, etc. All that. Explain why the applicant is different from all the other students that you have taught, and how this guy stands out, or this the student is better, or in what percentage of the class that he belonged to. Okay, write the persuasive statement on in the LOR for the masters in Canada, USA, or Australia, etc. That would convince the admission committee about the abilities of the applicant. Don't keep on writing general details. Support the statement with suitable example that you have observed at the time when you have been teaching him. So that is basically like, has he been submitting his assignments on time, and was he very eager to know something, and have he met you outside the class, such kind of things. The basic skills of importance in an LOR are the character of the applicant, the academic performance, work ethics, teamwork skill. Now, this is very important. How good is he in team working? Organization skills, whether any has he organized any technical events, or some seminar, webinars, and things like that. So, time management skills, and is he a good listener? And then motivation and the determination to work hard. Does he have that? Then, and the efficient management. Some of the above mentioned skills should be discussed briefly along with the evidence when the application displayed these skills. When this application applicant has displayed these skills, write about the noticeable qualities in the applicants apart from his test scores, grades, and other things. Now, a simple thing could be a sample is shown here, like she knows how to manage her time efficiently or effectively. She is attentive during all my lectures and is an active participant in the classroom debates and discussions. Now, such kind of things, subtly is a subtle way of putting things out. Okay. Now, in the conclusion, in the last paragraph, summarize all the qualities and the skills of the candidate. Write the reasons why you think that he or she is a suitable person for the program. Provide your email ID and the contact details, and in case you want to reach out to you can even offer it to them, telling that that you'll be willing to give more details, or like that. Write your designation and name in the end. In fact, you will be giving it on your college letterhead, and your details are also going to be there. Sign it, and then put a college seal onto it, and and then probably you can take a PDF of that and then keep it with you. The PDF size should be around 600 KB, so that when the student applies, you can always forward it to the reply it back with that. You may have to upload the PDF of your LOR. Okay. Thank you. We will try and continue this again in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.